Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third Sudoku. The third Sudoku. 3 out of 4 because I won't do them all in this additional of today's newspaper of Thursday. Thursday, February the 18th, 2021. Yes, the third Sudoku is a binary puzzle. Oh. This will be number 2, 3, 4, 9. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Now we have 4 O's, so the rest are ones. We have here 4 ones, so the rest are O's. We have here 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Between 2 ones comes an O. Double one, here no, there no. And this should be a 1. Because I know between a 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes, there's always an O and a 1 there. So 1, the second O, third O, fourth O. So this should be a 1, yes. Okay, then. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Yeah. 3. Here we have also a 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes. There's always an O and a 1. I do not know in which order it is. Yes, so this box, we have here 1 O, second O, third O, fourth O. So this should be a 1. Okay, 1, 2, 3. 3 ones. If I place number 4 here, then we have 3 O's, not allowed. So this cannot be a 1. This should be a and O. If I place 1, 2, 3, the fourth O there, the fourth 1 here, then we have 3 O's in a row in this column. Not allowed, one of the rules. So this cannot be a 1. This should be an O. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 O's. So the rest are ones. Alright. Between 2 ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. So the rest are ones. Now we have 4 ones. So the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. So the rest are ones. This should be an O. Between 2 ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. So the rest are O's. Then we need to compare, I think. Yeah, need to compare. the first column and the last column. O, O, empty box. 1, 1, empty box. O, O, 1, 1, 1, 1, O, O. So we need to switch these two digits. We have an O there, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. Between two O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, so the rest are O's. Alright, finish in 5 minutes. Alright. I like this binary. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle, a tectonic with 4 stars. So see you later. Bye bye for now.